hey, I hit the jackpot. Let me show you what I got from the food pantry today. I've got a nice food pantry haul, and we really got something special because I haven't shown you guys how to do a fish dish. So I got some fish, that's a surprise, and I also got some canned fish. Come on, let's go take a look.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Wow, just look at this. We're going to start from the left to the right. Okay, starting with the canned goods. This is amazing. I can't believe how generous they were at the food bank. We've got 2 cans of cut green beans. Oh, yes, I'm going to make another casserole for you guys. I got some yellow clean peaches. I'm going to show you how to make a quick peach cobbler, okay? We got some mixed fruit. Got some more cut green beans. I think I want to do a green bean casserole. We got some black beans. We've got 4 cans of whole kernel corn with no salt added. I am so happy about that. I've got some sliced carrots. I love carrots. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cans of spaghetti sauce and diced tomatoes. You think you can make enough spaghetti to feed your family? Yes, you can. 2 chicken noodles, some garbanzo beans. We also have some cranberries. Love those. And check this out. Let's go to our soup and seafood. We've got some pink salmon. Dean on the scene is going to be making his appearance, making his Cajun salmon patties. Ooh, I can't wait. I got 4 tomato soups. Some red salmon. That's going to be good. 2 cans of that. We got 3 cans of the tuna. Now let's go over here. I want to show you what we got for produce. We got bananas. Oh, I love bananas, especially a banana smoothie. And I need it because I'm low in potassium. I'm going to tell you guys what's been going on with my health in an upcoming Q&A video. We're going to go live. Look at this. We also got some more bananas, some apples, some oranges. Oh, yeah. I got another bag of apples and oranges right here. Yes, I do. We got 3 bags of dried cranberries. These make great toppings to your cereal. And I'm going to show you guys how to make your own trail mix. That stuff is so good. Oh, yeah. I got some beans here. Some dried garbanzo beans. Some split peas. I'm going to show you how to make my split pea soup with the ham bone. 2 bags of that. 2 bags of elbow macaroni. We got some oatmeal. Hello, Jay.
Hi.
And we got some pasta where you add the meat to it. You know, it's the sauce and stuff.
Also,
a mix already.
Look what we got, guys.
Yes. Mineral water. Now this, you just like I said, you add your meat to it. The mineral water, hey. Look, 2 things of Cheerios. Some Jiffy Mix. Now this is going to be for Jay's breakfast. We also got some hazelnuts, which I just might put into the trail mix. Now, we got a bag of chili. 2, look, Jay, corn tortillas.
Wow.
We also got 2 things of cheddar cheese. We got 5 of these crispy onions, so I can top my casseroles. Oh, yes. Now,
Look, that's literally what they're doing.
I know. Look, we got some chorizo. My dad tried to get me to like this stuff. I never did.
Mom hates it.
I don't know. I'm going to use it or give it to someone, but
Shout out to all the chorizo fans out there.
Yeah.
I feel sorry.
I can tell you.
Also, look at all this meat.
Look at this.
Fish,
Mhm.
chicken, and more fish.
So we got, I don't know how to pronounce this, swai?
Yes.
Yes.
But this chicken, excuse me, this fish is wonderful because you can flavor it and it will take on the seasoning very well.
Yes, it retains seasoning very nicely.
We got a whole chicken
Whole young chicken.
and catfish nuggets. I got a jar of peanut butter and
The nuggets
some,
are mine.
yeah, I know, and some cereal. Now let's take a pan and everything we got. So if you're wondering if you can get enough from the food pantry to feed your family, yes, you can.
You just have to be creative.
Yes.
Shameless plug-in to watch Chris's famous recipes. Shameless plug-in.
All right, we're going to do some fried fish and eggs. I've got a cup and a half of flour in here, 1 egg. I've got 2 cups of flours here, plus my garlic seasoning. I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder, another one of salt-free seasoning, and a tablespoon onion powder. Tablespoon? Yes, because I got a lot of fish to do here. We're doing an old southern staple, fried fish and eggs for breakfast. I'm also going to do a video on how I do my omelets, okay? And let you all see that. We're going to do a battered fried fish, which is crunchy and fun for breakfast in the morning. Now, I'm going to start mixing in some of my seasonings in here too. Same amount into the wet batter. Okay? And notice I am not using any salt now. It's bad enough I'm frying it. Okay? I'm going to start mixing this around. Now, most people think you're supposed to add milk to this. No, add you some water. Okay? Mix it all around. Ooh. Uncle Chris got kind of messy right there. Mix this around. You want the consistency of a very thin pancake batter, okay? If you use milk, it tends to fly off the fish for some reason, but the water's okay. All right. Now, my fish, I marinated overnight with the same ingredients. The garlic, the lemon pepper, oh, I put lemon pepper on this fish, okay? I put a teaspoon each, garlic, lemon pepper, and that's it, okay? These other spices are gonna be in the coating. Now, you're gonna take your fish, and you're gonna dip it in, okay? Dip it in good, all right? Then put it in your flour. Flour them up real good so it's on there, like a nice thick coating, okay? Flour, okay? Now I've got my oil heating up over here. I'm gonna show you how you put this fish in, because you put it in a certain way. Yes, there's a certain way you put it in so that it seals it. It makes a nice crust. All right. I'm gonna do these 3 pieces, and then we're gonna go right over to the hot oil. All right, we're gonna first put our fish in our hot grease, slow, just like this. See that? That seals it right quick. Always deep fry your fish. I'm also going to start our omelet on the next skillet here. Whip up your eggs real good. Pour them on in. I got olive oil and butter. Shake them around like that, see? Do it around. Throw in the ingredients you want for your eggs. I'm doing a cheese omelet for Jay. All right. Fish does not take that long. So look at this. See how that's not sticking? Because I put the oil and the butter in there. Okay. Move your omelet around like this. Now, watch this, nieces and nephews. Take it. Get up under those eggs. Flip them over. Start rolling it up. That's right. You see that? All right. That's how you do your rolled egg or your omelet. Okay? Just tuck it together and let the extra raw egg run on out because that's going to be the next layer you fold over. All right? See how this fish is doing? Oh, yeah. Now, once this fish gets to be a golden brown on the bottom, you flip it over. Okay? See how it's looking? It's not there just yet. Not just yet. Okay? It just smells so good. I know. Smell-o-vision, yes. 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 I'm going to flip these eggs over as gently as I can. Okay. Make sure it's cooked all the way through, but not tough, okay? The eggs are going to continue to cook a little bit once you take them out the plate. These are basically done. And there's your omelet. All right. I'm going to wait till this fish is done in the next few minutes. And we're going to plate up Jay's breakfast. And we're good to go. There we go, nieces and nephews. That's how your fish is supposed to look. Golden brown. All right, let's plate up the dish and let's go. Look at that, nieces and nephews. That is a southern breakfast. Crunchy fried fish, pancakes and eggs. All right, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. We are off to go scarf. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got?